Hey, welcome to the first video of RHCE, the Red Hat Certified Engineer. This is the introduction video to the whole playlist, the whole shebang. And in about a month, I'm going to take the certification. Hopefully I'll pass. If not, Red Hat does have a retake policy, so I can use that, which is nice, For some people, a month is not, they need way more time than that, and that's fine. For some people, this time is just way too long. If you're an Ansible guru, you can probably just take the certification right away. Shebang, you don't need to watch this unless you just like watching me, which is understandable. Anyways, so yeah, in about a month, I'm going to take it. And I thought, well, maybe it's going to be beneficial for somebody out there to see how I study, how I troubleshoot, how I get from A to B, if I'm stuck, how I think through things, and how I use the documentation. Sweet. So I hope, honestly, that this is going to be helpful or motivating for somebody, because I know for me, I took the administrator certification last year, I think. Maybe it was the end of 2024. And all of 2025, I was going to take the engineer certification. I was just always pushing it, like, no, later. And so I thought, well, maybe this is going to motivate me to just finally get it done and help somebody else study. So let me know in the comments down below. Click a like and everything, subscribe, all that jazz, if this helps you at all. And so I live in Iceland. And there's not a local place that I can go and take the exam. So I have to do it on the line. And I've read on Reddit, like horror stories of people about like the environment is so laggy. People are just timing out, and 4 hours is not enough. So if you're an Ansible guru and you see how I write my playbooks, just know that I am not writing it so it's the most magical Ansible that you've ever seen. It's actually to get from A to B. If the exam says do X, I'm just going to do X. I'm not going to do anything fancy. So because there's just a bot that checks if my playbooks give X, and if X, sweet. There's nobody's going to read these like the Bible and say like, well, this is majestic. Anyways, so I just wanted to put it out there that you're going to be studying with me. I'm not going to be teaching you Ansible. We're studying together. You and I, we're a team. And so I think that's all for the introduction. The next video, which is coming up, click it. It's going to be up here somewhere. It's going to be me setting up the environment, and I'm going to use Vagrant, and I'm using VirtualBox. And so if you want me to teach you how to set up everything using Vagrant, I'm going to need like 15,000 subscribers that are going to yell in the comment section. You should do it, because honestly, it can be hurtful. It depends if you're using Docker, VMware, Hyper-V, Docker. I don't know if I said that. VirtualBox, libvirt. I've used some of these, and it's hit and miss. And so even like, let me see. Even I'm running on an older kernel right now because I updated and it broke the VirtualBox kernel module. So for Linux, it's fun. It is fun. It's a give and take relationship. So I've used libvirt. That does not roll off the tongue for the native Icelander. Libvirt, and that had issues as well. So Vagrant it is. It's super nice. Vagrant status. I'll just check if everything's up, and this is going to be my control node, and these are the nodes that I'm going to be working on. And so Vagrant halt, just pull everything down. Vagrant up, everything up. Vagrant halt, stop everything or destroy. And so it's super nice. So I highly recommend it for studying for the certification. What else? I can't remember, but welcome. I hope you follow along and check out the next video.